Melan, happy birthday.
Kuya Melan.
Happy birthday. Kamilin.
Bye.
Kapatid. Nasaan na yun? Ayun.
Ayun, tabi ni.
Ayun, di ba kita? Happy birthday. Pagaling ka ulit. Agad. Pagaling ka agad.
Magaling nga, patato tayo ulit.
Kuya Melan, happy birthday.
Happy birthday ako. Happy birthday sa'yo.
Happy birthday sa kanya. Happy birthday daw sa'yo.
Hello Melan, happy birthday! Hoy, magpagaling ka ha, kasi uuwi tayo sa Dunsol sa isang taon pagbalik ni Jojo, sabi niya. Kaya magpagaling ka na. At saka, practicein mo maganda si Auntie Ador para makapagsalita ka na. Okay? Happy birthday! At patikim ako ng cake mo. Ciao!
Mic test. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You belong to the zoo. You're the monkey and the dog and the elephant too. See you. So pumunta ako dyan. See you. Happy birthday.
Hi Melan, happy birthday. I miss you. Miss ka na namin. Sana makarating kami dyan. Love you.
Happy birthday, Melan! Get well soon!
I love you.
Love you. Miss ka na namin.
Kita kids!
Happy birthday to you. O tate, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Melan. Ayan ang alaga ko. Good day and God bless. Happy birthday, Melan. Wag lang tayong susuko sa mga pagsubok, ne? Tingnan mo yung alaga ko, oh. Sinabayan niya pa akong batik ang happy birthday. No? Laban lang at always nakasama ka sa praying namin. Na madali ang iyong recovery. Walang imposible sa Panginoon. God bless. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ite, happy birthday. Ne, namo 85 years old na yan, no? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Sabi-sang. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Melan, happy birthday. Pinilit lang kami dito. Wala kaming choice kundi gawin ito. Hindi. So, good progress ang nangyayari sa iyo ngayon. Okay, make sure na sundin mo lahat yung instructions sa iyo, lalo ng PT. Huwag mo kakalimutan yan. Tandaan mo, mas susundin mo ang instructions, tiisin mo muna yung mga pain ngayon, mas mabilis ka makaka-recover. Kailangan mo ng full recovery lalo na sa speech therapy. Okay? At may isa dito ang gustong sumali. Say something. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday, Uncle Melan. Come on, say.
Happy birthday, Uncle Melan.
Okay, yeah, Melan. Happy birthday, Uncle Melan. Say.
Happy birthday!
Oh, yan. May pahabol eh. Okay. Bye. Say bye-bye now.